My name is Aman Tekriwal. I'm co-founder at Supertails. India has a population of 32 million pets, which is growing at the rate of more than 12% annually. If you look at this number from 2016, in 2016 the pet population in India was 18 million, which grew to 24 million by 2019. During the pandemic, this same number grew from 24 million to 32 million, which is almost a 2x growth in the last couple of years. The largest wallet share in the pet care space is of the food. Currently, only 7 to 8% of the pet parents give packaged food. Remaining more than 90% still give home cooked food. If you look at the pet food market in India, in 2016, this was a $150 million market, which has grown to more than 3 times in the last 5 years. The pet food market today in 2021 stands at close to $500 million. The minimum basic amount to maintain a pet would nothing be less than 1,000 rupees per month. Even if we take this lower threshold amount, this itself translates into an opportunity size of more than $5 billion. However, the organized pet market today is only $1 billion, which is roughly 20% of the opportunity size. This is primarily because of the fact that only 7% of the pet parents give pet packaged food. This number is bound to increase in the times to come. One, because of increase in the pet adoption rate. Two, because of the increase in the packaged food. Due to the above reasons, we feel that the pet industry will grow at a higher rate over the next few years, and the pet industry should become more than a $5 billion market over the next 7 to 8 years. I met Varun and Vineet in 2017 while we were working together at Licious. During those times, we used to discuss a lot of business ideas, and one such idea was to build a pet care platform. Whenever the marriageable age gets pushed, people either go to Tinder groups or adopt pets for oxytocin. And this thesis got validated during pandemic when the pet adoption rate grew significantly. In January 2021, we all came out of Licious and we started speaking with various pet parents. During this process, we spoke to almost 300 pet parents, and we were able to bifurcate the pet parent requirement into two parts. The primary part was food, nutrition, healthcare, and training, while everything else was into the secondary part, which can be grooming, boarding, travel, insurance, etc. We did a massive research in the pet care space before we started Supertails. And some of the interesting insights which we got are: number one, the new wave of pet parenting would be driven by millennials and Gen Z. For Supertails, it meant that the platform has to be built keeping this customer segment. This customer base required a lot of information and not just cute pictures of dogs and cats. Number two, more than 40% of the transaction in the pet care space was via vets, which meant that the vets are at the center of the pet care ecosystem. Number two, 40% of the transaction in the pet care space happened via vets, which meant vets are at the center of the pet care ecosystem. Supertail emulates this experience by providing instant access to the vets to the pet parents. Number three, the Gen Zs and millennials not only required their product to be delivered online, but also needed the services to be delivered through an online platform. To enable this, Supertail has developed a robust service delivery mechanism which provides an efficient healthcare and training services. Supertail is uniquely placed to solve for all the primary requirements of pet parents under one roof. On one side, we have product commerce wherein we have more than 150 brands and more than 4,000 SKUs as a part of our platform. We are adding 15 to 20 brands and more than 500 SKUs every month to meet the day-to-day requirement of the pet parents. On the other side, we have healthcare. So I'll take a step back to help understand how exactly Supertail is helping the healthcare problems of the pets. As a step one, we have developed clinical protocols for all the diseases such as dermatology, gastrointestinal, ears, eyes, etc. Step 2, we have hired high quality vets as an in-house team. Step 3, we have developed training modules for these vets to be trained on these standardized clinical protocols. We not only train our vets on these technical aspect, coming to the third aspect of the Supertail offering, which is training services. Training is an essential services and not an optional one. We believe the way human kids needs to be trained, pets also needs to be trained. In countries like Singapore, pet training is mandatory. We at Supertail believe as a first step to train the pets is to train the pet parent. Our Chief Behaviorist Officer, Unnati Hunjan, who is a PhD in clinical psychology and animal behavior, has developed unique curriculum to train the pet parents. And in the initial few months, we have seen our success rates being much higher than the traditional way of pet training. The biggest challenge is the mindset of the customer. We have made the first step by moving from calling ourselves as a pet owner to more and more people calling themselves as a pet parent. The next big change we can bring is to provide knowledge and know-how to become a responsible pet parent. Supertail as a new age company can bring this biggest change by providing credible information to the pet parent for making the pet parenthood more enjoyable. The faster, either at a Supertails or industry in general, we do this, the faster will be the growth in the pet care industry. If we talk about the nutrition in general, we know India is a more of a home cooked ecosystem wherein more than 90% of the pet parents prefer to provide home cooked food to their pets. But at the same time, they remain anxious about the nutritional requirement of their pets. At Supertail, we have developed a product which will fulfill the nutritional gap for all the pets in the country. This product has been developed by our in-house experts and is natural and has been made from responsibly sourced super ingredients.